Hey everyone! You've probably heard of remote control software like AnyDesk and TeamViewer, right? They let someone control your device from anywhere, which is super handy for troubleshooting and fixing issues. But here's the catch. The free versions of these tools come with limitations and collect a ton of data. If you're looking for something more transparent and open source, especially since these programs have access to your screen, we've got a great alternative for you. Today, we'll introduce you to an awesome open-source remote desktop software that lets you connect to your devices with peace of mind. Let's dive in. So, the first thing you'll notice when you visit the site is a banner that warns you about tech support scams. It's a friendly reminder to only allow remote connections with people you trust. We really appreciate the developers for taking this initiative to keep users informed. Now, downloading rustdesk is super simple. Just use the official links provided below, click on the download button, and select the device you want rustdesk for. Before that, I want to say that credits of this software goes to the developer and its contributors. Support their work. Only use official site to download. You can also download the Android version from the F-Droid site, and we'll show you how to do that in this video ahead. Once you've downloaded it, just open rustdesk and you can start using it right away without installing. You can do most of the stuff this way, but if you plan on using remote desktop connections frequently, it's a good idea to fully install it. For now, let's quickly go over some settings. First, you'll need to share the code displayed on your screen. The other person will enter that code in the Control Remote Desktop field. You'll get a prompt to accept the connection. Just hit accept and you're all set. Now you can freely use remote desktop without any time limits and without worrying about your sensitive data being collected. If your network is slow, then you can set optimize reaction time for better performance. Since we haven't installed it, you can simply close rustdesk, and the session will end. It won't be running in the background, so you don't have to worry about it using up any resources when you're not actively using it. If you have installed it, then don't forget to close the program from systray to fully close it. Now you can download the Android version from here or F-Droid site. Just follow the steps. You can also set the optimize reaction time option in the Android version. Well, that was it. We showcased an open-source alternative to popular remote desktop software, and you definitely should give it a try. It's a great way to connect with peace of mind while keeping your data safe. Thanks for watching and happy remote connecting. Sorry for the plugin, I just wanted to share some of our freelance work. We offer web development, graphic design, and editing services. You can find the links in the description. Feel free to email us if you're interested. You can skip this part if you want. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope it helps. Just a quick reminder, we have created more useful videos like this on our channel, so please check them out. If you liked this video, please do subscribe. If you disliked it, please let us know in the comments what we can improve. Have a good day.